Welcome to our California Real Estate Exam Prep video series. We'll give you 20 daily practice questions for the next 100 days with detailed answers to help you pass the exam and get your license. If you like our videos, please like and subscribe. Let's start now. 1. The mortgage insurance on an FHA loan. A. Protects the borrower from a fire loss. B. Protects the lender in the event of the trustor's death. C. Protects the lender in the event of default. D. Is paid for by the lender. Answer: C. The mortgage insurance on an FHA loan protects the lender in the event of a default on the loan. It is paid for by the borrower. 2. Lawson bought a parcel of raw land in 1963 and subdivided it into 4 separate lots. 25 years later, he sold each lot for $10,000. The adjusted basis for each lot was $2,000. Lawson's long-term capital gain on these transactions is: A. $8,000. B. $32,000. C. $40,000. D. Cannot be determined from the information given. Answer: B. $2,000 x 4 lots equals $8,000 adjusted basis, $10,000 x 4 lots equals $40,000 total. Selling price: $40,000 to $8,000 equals $32,000 capital gain. 3. When an abstractive judgment for money is duly recorded, it creates which of the following types of liens? A. Specific lien. B. General lien. C. Lease pendens. D. Limited lien. Answer: B. A court order to pay money creates a general obligation upon all assets of a debtor. 4. Which of the following is not a necessary element in the formation of a contract? A. Offer. B. Acceptance. C. Consideration. D. Performance. Answer: D. Two parties may enter into a contract, but they might not perform, their obligations. 5. The method which is used most often to value land or sites is: A. The developmental method. B. The residual method. C. The allocation method. D. The comparative method. Answer: D. The comparison approach is the method which is used most frequently to value land and residences. 6. None of the following persons may lawfully enter into a valid contract to purchase property except: A. Unemancipated minors. B. Minors who are wards of the court. C. Convicts. D. Aliens. Answer: D. Unemancipated minors and those who are wards of the court would require court approval before entering into any contract. Convicts are normally deprived of their civil rights while in confinement. Aliens, however, have the same rights as citizens in the purchase of real property. 7. The document which is used to convey the title to real property from the trustee to the trustor when the trust deed is terminated is: A. A quitclaim deed. B. A reconveyance deed. C. A warranty deed. D. A grant deed. Answer: B. The trustee would reconvey the title he had received when the trust deed was originally executed. It would give the borrower, trustor, back the title that the trustee held. (8) A reconveyance deed is an instrument used daily in the real estate profession. These deeds are signed and executed by the A. Beneficiary, B. Trustee, C. Grantor, D. Trustor. Answer: B. A reconveyance deed reconveys the naked legal title from the trustee to the trustor when the loan has been fully paid. 9. The one who loans the money on a parcel of real property and secures that loan by means of a trust deed is known as the A. Trustor, B. Mortgager, C. Beneficiary, D. Trustee. Answer: C. The lender under the promissory note is the beneficiary of the trust deed. Title is held by the trustee for the benefit of the lender, beneficiary. 10. Which of the following would be considered real property? A. Crops before harvest. B. Fruit that has not been picked, but which has been sold under contract. C. Stock in a mutual water company. D. Minerals which have been mined. Answer: C. Crops, before harvest, could be either real or personal property. Crops which have been cut, mortgaged, or sold are considered personal property. Minerals removed from the ground are personal property, hence, stock in a mutual water company is real property. (11) The parallel timbers which support the load of the ceiling and floors of a frame house are called A. Rafters, B. Joists, C. Studs, D. Lintels. Answer: B. Statement of fact. 12. If a licensee placed the following ad in a newspaper, which of the following would describe the ad? 3-bedroom, 2-bath, pool and spa, large lot $167,000, 555-1234. A. This is false advertising. B. This is misleading advertising. C. This violates Regulation Z. D. This is blind advertising. Answer: D. Since this ad has no wording in it which indicates that it was placed by an agent rather than an owner, it would be considered blind advertising. 13. Inspection reports and notices relating to wood-destroying organisms are filed with A. The Bureau of Real Estate, B. The Structural Pest Control Board, C. The Bureau of Entomology, D. None of the above. Answer: B. These reports on organisms such as termites are filed with the Structural Pest Control Board. 14. Personal property is easily distinguished from real property by its A. Lower unit value. B. Multiplicity of use. C. Mobility. D. Greater variety. Answer: C. The most distinguishing feature between personal and real property is that personal property is movable, real property is immovable. 15. When one property of a borrower is inadequate security for a loan, but he has other unencumbered property, the lender would most likely require A. An all-inclusive mortgage. B. A wraparound mortgage. C. A blanket mortgage. D. A locked-in mortgage. Answer: C. A blanket mortgage is one which uses more than one property as security for the loan. 16. When a creditor, holding a note and trust deed, institutes foreclosure proceedings to satisfy a debt, the trustor's liability comes to an end in approximately A. 1 month. B. 3 months. C. 12 months. D. 4 months. Answer: D. Once the notice of default has been recorded, we begin the 3 months reinstatement period. Following this, the trustee must advertise the sale once a week for 3 weeks, 21 days, and then he conducts the sale. The sale takes at least 3 months and 21 days, so the closest selection is 4 months. 17. In arriving at an estimate of value, an appraiser would be most interested in the date. A. The purchase contract was signed. B. The deed was recorded. C. The sale went into escrow. D. The escrow was closed. Answer: A. The date of the purchase contract relates most to the value agreed upon by the buyer and seller. 18. The exercise of police power whereby land is divided into districts according to the use to which the land may be put is known as A. Eminent domain. B. Condemnation. C. Zoning. D. Districting. Answer: C. Zoning is the exercise of police power whereby land is divided into districts according to the type of use to which the land may be put. 19. A builder needs a long-term loan of $3 million to develop a new shopping center. Which of the following would usually be the best source of such funds? A. Mutual funds. B. Credit unions. C. Life insurance companies. D. National banks. Answer: C. Life insurance companies make the largest loans on real estate because they prefer better type properties and large, long-term loans. 20. Lawson bought a parcel of raw land in 1963 and subdivided it into 4 separate lots. 25 years later, he sold each lot for $10,000. The adjusted basis for each lot was $2,000. Lawson's long-term capital gain on these transactions is A. $8,000. B. $32,000. C. $40,000. D. Cannot be determined from the information given. Answer B. $2,000 x 4 lots equals $8,000 adjusted basis, $10,000 x 4 lots equals $40,000 total selling price, $40,000 to $8,000 equals $32,000 capital gain. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please consider subscribing to our channel so you don't miss out on our future videos. We look forward to seeing you in the next one.